Hello, East Middle School family. Mrs. Heigert, your friendly librarian here to show you a few of the features of the Destiny Discover website where you can check out ebooks that are available here through the East IMC. When you first log in, this is the screen you're going to see. You can see that we have a total of 465 books that you can check out in electronic form. You can scroll down and you're going to look at the covers of all of the different books that we have. If you look at this first book, Shout, you'll see the icon in the lower left. It looks like a CD with a speaker. That is the icon for an audiobook. You look over here at Brody's Ghost. This rectangular green rectangle with the E is the icon for an ebook. So we have both audiobooks and ebooks available for checkout. Right here on Wrecking Ball, you see the red flag that says out. That book is currently checked out and it is temporarily unavailable. This book down here about the Corvette has a green flag with an infinity symbol. That is the logo for books that we have unlimited copies of. So theoretically, every person in the entire school could check out and read this book at the same time because we have unlimited copies. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see a number of ways that you can limit your search so that you're not looking at all 465 books at the same time. Availability, if you want to look at just the books that we have unlimited copies of, you can see there are 44 books. So all of these books are available with unlimited copies. I'm going to clear that filter. You can narrow by author if there's a specific author you're looking for. By genre. Okay, if you want action adventure or comic books or comic strips, horror, humorous fiction, and so on. You can search by material type. So if you're only looking for an audiobook, you can click on audiobook. We have 29 of those. So all of these books are available in audio format. You can listen to these books on your computer or your Chromebook. You can also listen to them on your phone or your tablet if you have the Destiny Read app installed. Lexile. If you're looking for books in a specific Lexile range, you can raise the lower limit, you can lower the upper limit, click Apply. So now I'm only looking at books within the Lexile range of 720 to 960. You can see we have 145 books in that range. You can look by series. If there's a particular series of books you like. The Diary of a Wimpy Kid series is very popular. I can click on that. And these are all the Diary of a Wimpy Kid books that we have available. We do have all of them. Publication year, number of pages. So as you can see, there are many ways that you can search your books. So if I'm looking for an action adventure, I can click on one of these books. And if I click over here if I hover over it, or click the little eye, it's going to show me all of a bunch of different information. So there's a brief summary, the different subjects. There are no reviews currently for this one. But if this is a book that I want to check out, I can just click on this green button, check out. Or if I'm not sure I want to check it out, I can click on open. And I can actually open the book. And I can flip through the pages, just like if you were standing in the library, you pick a book up off the shelf and you flip through the pages, decide if you want to check it out. Sometimes this takes a little bit. I'll let you play around with this at home. If I do want to check it out, I click on Check Out Hold. And now the book has been checked out. If I go up here into my book bag, these are the books that I currently have checked out. You can see down here at the bottom, book is going to be due on May 1st. All books are due 30 days from when they're checked out. They will automatically be returned to the library at the end of the checkout period. If at any time I finish the book early and I want to return the book, I can click on this button here. This says return. And then from my book bag, I can click on Destiny to Discover, and it's going to take me right back to the list of books. Well, students, I hope you've learned something here, and I'm going to leave it to you to start your reading journey with eBooks. Thank you.